Hello, it's Helen and Falcon, and today a little hack how to remember all the planets of the solar system. So let's get started. My Mercury, very Venus, educated Earth, Mother Mars, just Jupiter, served Saturn, us Uranus, and noodles Neptune. And there is no Pluto because Pluto used to be a planet, but now he has a status of dwarf planet, and there are thousands of the same small planets as Pluto. Okay, I hope you remember the rhyme and follow Helen and Falcon. Watch my shorts, videos and tutorials, subscribe and stay tuned.